Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Disney's Boardwalk. As you can see from that first shot, I am waiting for a bus. It's early in the morning, and I'm going to rope drop Disney's Animal Kingdom this morning. Jenna is still asleep. She'll meet me later, but yeah, I want to do my usual rope drop and head on over there. So it's early. I'm tired. I'm usually not very tired all the time, but I'm tired this morning. I'm inside Animal Kingdom, and met a wonderful couple from South Carolina, and we were going to hang out together. One of them had an issue with their band, so hopefully I'll see them soon. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you there. So is it worth it to wake up, I don't know, 5:30 in the morning to go on Avatar and be one of the first ones on to avoid the line? Yes, all the time. And it's a great ride. And I'm still floored by it as many times as I've been on. So, but yeah, anyway. Okay, the next attraction will be the Kilimanjaro Safaris. Should be opening up in a, oh, it's open already. The park just opened, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So everybody's now entering in.
Antelope here to the left. These beautiful orange antelope, those are bongos, like the drum, the bongo. The tall tan ones, greater kudu. Now both the kudu that I see here are females. We can tell because they don't have horns. Only male kudu grow horns. Now black rhinos are poached near to extinction. Their numbers reaching close to only 4,000 left, and they are poached for those horns. But rhino horn, I don't see anything else hiding around this side of the forest, so let's head over to... So hippos do spend most of their day in water. Hippos have very sensitive skin. They're going to hang out down in the water when the sun's out to help prevent sunburn. Honeycomb structure on the inside of their horns, that's going to make it much lighter for them. The only part that's completely solid, just the last few inches at the very end of the horn. And grazing in the trees on the hill back there, there are two eland. Very large antelope, actually one of the largest. Now, a group of giraffe is called a tower. And I would say that is fitting, considering that the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Fully grown, a giraffe is going to be. Yeah, the reserve is the animals' homes, so they have the freedom to move around pretty much where they want to, and as we can see, that includes the roads. And since it's their home, they do have the right-of-way here.
That's funny.
He's looking back at us. Yeah, we can list. Oh, no, he found something that could be edible. Oh, if you wonder how a giraffe reaches the ground, there you go.
Oh no, I talked close down to her. Oh my god. Wow.
Now, mandrills are known for the bright red and blue color on their face. Like Rafiki from the Lion King. Rafiki is a mandrill. And those colors can get brighter when they are the younger ones. Flamingos are not pink when they hatch out of their egg. They're gray. Look at that beautiful boy. It is awesome to see a lion awake and active right now. Lions spend around 16 to 20 hours of their day resting and sleeping, conserving their energy for when they do their hunting a little bit later on. Usually, now the lionesses of a pride are going to do a majority of the hunting. The lionesses are usually faster and more agile than the males. The male lions are usually stronger, so during the hunts they tend to stay behind to protect the territory and to keep an eye out on any cubs that may be in the pride.
I always say for Kilimanjaro safaris, you have to go first thing in the morning. The animals are very active, and as you saw from the video, I was about 2 feet away from a giraffe, very close to other animals, and I actually got to see the lions actually moving around, because if you've done this ride, especially around noon, they're always asleep because they sleep a lot, right? So I've always been very lucky with the lions first thing in the morning.
If you see it, yeah.
I just love traveling through aspects here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's so nice. Thank you. You know, and it's just such a great thing. You know, I'm of South African descent, so I just think it's really cool to be here. Wish my mom could have seen this. She would have loved it so much. How beautiful. It's great to see it from the Tree of Life. It's great to see it from the front, but you know, from back it's really nice. Especially because it's always nice and quiet in this part between Africa and Asia. Thank you.
Pueden pedir ir en la primera fila. Pero no más.
Soft and cuddly the Yeti is when he's not terrifying you on the ride. So yeah, Everest was a 5-minute wait, got on really fast. So a really good morning so far. Got to do the 3 things I wanted to do. I'm gonna head over to Dinoland USA real quick. Because I might not be there for much longer based on all things, rumors we're hearing and all the announcements. So hey, heading over there right now. That's Everest. Alrighty, I'm here in Dinoland, USA. You know, you never know when this is going to be done, you know, so.
Hey, again, we got one.
We're going to walk through.
One for you, one for you. Right on. If you can land into a red, you can fix it, you can pull that down.
You know, I was never the biggest fan of Dinoland USA. All this, you know, always felt so kitschy to me, even back in those days. And the dinosaur ride, I was never a big fan of that. It was alright to walk through, but considering what Animal Kingdom is, and all the work they put into it, I just felt like it was always felt like it was outside of greatness. So, yeah. Alrighty. Here's Dinosaur.
Have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago.
Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking on.
Well, folks, that is probably the last time I'll ever go on Dinosaur. Let's see what happens with the ride, but yeah, nice go on it one last time.
Dino Dash! Can I get an oh yeah? Oh yeah.
Okay, folks, I'm back at Pandora, the World of Avatar. I have a long time till lunch, and Jenna's not going to be here for a while, so I got something called a Night Blossom, which is very popular here, and the Pongo Lumpia, which is really popular here, and it's 2 of my favorite things to have here at Animal Kingdom. So Let's roll up. Jenna's gonna kill me that I had this without her. Hey fellas, what's up? Hey, there's a kangaroo.
You guys want to go see a bug show? You want to go see It's Tough to Be a Bug show?
Now, isn't this a site worth protecting out in wild places? Absolutely incredible. We have so many different species coming on down to Tiffins right now. Looks like we have a few of those blue-throated macaws right over there with Taylor and Elizabeth on the lamppost as well. We'll see if they want to come on in for a landing. Now, we do want to talk about these three smaller green birds that are right over here around me. This is Wizard, Holly, and Delilah. These three are all red-fronted macaws, another critically endangered species. Absolutely incredible. It looks like everyone is out here but Little Wizard. He's going to hang out here and finish up some of his favorite trees. Feel free to come on in and take some pictures while he's still here. But enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We'll see you later, everyone.
He's still there. Hey, that was really cool.
Thank you for joining
Still
us
there.
for Winged Encounter.
Where did they go to the next one?
They go back to their aviary. It's about a half-mile back. Yeah.
Wild visits for many generations to come. Enjoy the rest of your adventures here at Disney's.
That's one of my favorite things about Animal Kingdom. And when you do the show, walk all the way up to the front. Because it's something else when they're flying that close to your face. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but literally, one of them kind of just touched me, like on my cap flying. So yeah. Of all the exotic wildlife in Animal Kingdom, my favorite is Jenna. Jenna's here. And I saw this at the store in Africa. And I said, wow, Jenna would like that. And she gravitated right towards this.
Because it's got pockets. See, it's got pockets and a hood because I get cold.
Gathering! Time sure flies when you're having fun!
Hello, welcome to Tiffins, a signature dining restaurant here in Animal Kingdom. And one of the restaurants that we absolutely love. Now, in all fairness, we've only been here once, so this is our second time here. But last time we here, it was amazing. So, yes, here we are, Tiffins. Hello, everyone. Hello. Yes, hi.
Good morning, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you.
Happy 22nd, my friend.
Oh, how did you know?
Is it 21?
Sure. Why not?
Restrooms to the left hand side here, my friends.
Very nice.
Taking you to the grand gallery here.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Beautiful dining room.
Oh my God. Wow, it's beautiful.
Beautiful table here, my friend, for us.
Right here? Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh,
First time?
second. Second time.
Oh, that's right. We have been here once.
It's beautiful. Oh, we moved tables, as you can see. It was a little noisy there, and I couldn't hear Jenna. Annie, you look nice, baby.
Thank you, baby.
It's a beautiful restaurant. You know, Yak and Yeti, very noisy, a lot going on in it. Great restaurant. Same thing with Tusker House. Great food and animal, but this is like a sanctuary, you know, from the theme park vibe. Yeah, just in the middle of everything. It's just really, really nice. So, yeah, I love this place.
Yeah, it's very peaceful and serene.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. It's very nice.
My friend, let me take some pictures.
Yeah. Thank you. This is the bread service. Brazilian cheese bread, and then something else, and then something else. I don't remember what it was. But yeah.
Cow buns.
Yeah, it's really good. I hear the bao buns here. These are the bao buns we ordered too. So, yeah, this is all very different for us. We're looking forward to this. Oh, that's all I can say.
Okay.
There's Jenna. She's gonna try.
It's like a cheese bread.
Yeah, Brazilian cheese bread. So.
Yeah, it's made with cheese. You can actually see,
Yeah, you can see
like,
it. It's very good.
It's like
It's
very
excellent.
soft inside.
Oh yeah, very nice. Enjoy, baby.
Yes, baby.
Enjoy. Make sure to get the guava on it. Just a
Oh,
little
is
bit.
that
Try
guava?
it. Yeah, try it. See if you like it.
Very sweet. You're gonna love it.
I know I did already. Yeah, I took it already. It's really good. Yeah.
Very good. It's a chutney. Looks like it has raisins and fruit and oops. I don't know. Pickles?
It's good, right?
It's sweet.
Oh, thank you, sir. Much
You're
appreciated.
very welcome, sir.
Very nice.
How is everything?
Ah, it's a work of art. It's beautiful. Skippy scallops. Got the steak for us. Looks really nice. Very, very nice. Okay. How's the scallop, baby?
I love scallops. I think it's my favorite seafood.
Yeah, not lobster.
It's really up there though.
Okay. How is everything?
It was really good.
Yeah.
Loved it.
Steak was really good. The scallops were really good too. Just in general. Tiffins.
A bomb.
Oh yeah. Animal Kingdom. Of all places, right? So yeah, signature restaurant. We're not gonna have dessert, but we're doing this. So very, very nice of them to give us this. So looking forward to it. Hey folks, Tiffins is amazing.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah. So
Love
we're
that place.
all right. We're gonna walk around a little bit more here in Animal Kingdom. This park is jamming with people right now.
Right now.
We headed back into Asia. This is one of Jenna's favorite places to shop.
I love those shirts.
Yeah, really nice. Jenna. All right, folks, day 3 of vacation. We are out of Animal Kingdom for the day.
Yep.
Tiffins was amazing.
Yep.
Hard choice when you come here if you can only pick one restaurant, but it should be one of your choices, right, honey?
Yep.
Yep. Out for Paul. Adventures.